seamless tracks, top quality for maximum safety. Why leading track builders worldwide rely on Schlatter. Our welding technology joins railway tracks, from short rails to long rails, or for complex switch components. The result, extremely resilient welded joints, ideal for high-speed and heavy freight train lines. We connect rails to lengths of up to 500 meters and more in a stationary manner. We ensure seamless tracks directly on the construction site in a mobile manner. Our mobile complete systems, such as the Supra RoadFlex or the Supra Multiflex, operate completely autonomously, integrated with a power generator, hydraulics and cooling. We offer the perfect solution. Stationary systems for long rail works or for welding components in switch construction. Quality is our foundation. As a Swiss company, we guarantee the best performance. Ready for the secure connection?